What's the meaning of choirmaster? Choirmaster. Choirmaster.
Choirmaster. Choirmaster. A choirmaster is a musician who directs a choir, which is a group of singers who perform together in a harmonious manner. Their role is to prepare the choir for performances by teaching them how to sing in unison, blend their voices, and convey the desired emotional tone of the music. The choirmaster also selects the repertoire, arranges the music, and maintains discipline during rehearsals. They are responsible for ensuring that the choir delivers a polished and beautiful performance that meets the expectations of the audience and reflects the talent and dedication of the singers.